Well, hello there. There's a big crease in the bed. Sorry about that. Hello, and welcome to the Sonic Burping Contest 2010. We're going to be taking turns burping. So, first off is me. Oh, that was good, wasn't it? 2 burps each, really. Oh, that was my best, okay. Tail! Well, one time, I was walking on the street, and then I bashed into a... That wasn't very good. Probably the best so far. Right, I was... Oh, sorry, wrong thing. Well... Oh, Knuckles has hopped up to the best. And then, I was playing the Wii, then... Ow. Shadow? Do I have to do this? Yes. That was a rubbish. It was a long one, but it's good. Oh, Shadow hopped up to first. Yeah, okay. Hello. I'm Dr. Eggman. Eggman bumps really up to first. Yes. That was my second one. Okay. Hi, I'm Chris. And I'm a human, so I should be good at burping, just like Eggman. So, okay, and get off the stage, you've had your turns. Oh, yeah. Super! Okay. Well, I was silver, I was levitating in the air. And then, I was just crying. And then I ate a sandwich, and then, oh, that was terrible. Hi there. That was my first. Oh, that wasn't a burp. That was more like a sick. Yes, you can keep doing it. And I was just trying to get along. And as I sip. Come on. Okay. Hi, I'm Cream, and I'm here today with I guess it's a book. I don't think I'll be able to beat it, but I'll do the Captain. And yeah. So, yeah, and I'm the mythic camera. I'm going second. You have to come in. No. We need to pause it. No, maybe not. So we are. So yeah. Sorry, the cat gets. Oh gosh, that was the cat. We'll call this in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna do it over here. So, it's not coming out. Oh my gosh! That was a louder one than Eggman! Cream is the winner! I'm the winner! Yes, it was the loudest. And kind of the longest.